In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order on Shopify. A purchase order is a document you send to your supplier to request stock, and setting it up properly in Shopify helps you keep your inventory organized and accurate. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the products section and click on it. When you do, more options will appear underneath. From those options, select Purchase Orders. This will take you to the Purchase Orders page. Here you'll see a button that says Create Purchase Order, either in the center of the screen or at the top right. Go ahead and click that to start a new purchase order. Next, you'll need to fill in the supplier information. At the top, select an existing supplier from the list or create a new one if this is your first time ordering from them. Then choose the destination, which is usually the location or warehouse where the inventory will be received. You'll also see an option for payment terms. This is optional, but you can select it if you have agreed terms, like paying on delivery or within a certain number of days. After that, choose the supplier currency, which should match the currency your supplier uses on their invoices. Now scroll to the shipment details section. Here, you can add an estimated arrival date for the order, which helps with planning and stock expectations. Then enter the shipping carrier you're using and the tracking number if you already have it. If you don't have a tracking number yet, you can leave it blank and update it later. Under the products section, click the Browse button. A pop-up window will open showing the products in your store. Select the product or products that you're ordering from the supplier, then click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up. You can adjust quantities and double-check that everything looks correct. If needed, you can also add extra details such as a reference number, a note to the supplier, and tags. These fields are useful for internal tracking and communication. Once everything is filled out and you're happy with the details, click Save as Draft at the top near the search bar. This keeps the purchase order stored but not yet marked as ordered. When you've actually placed the order with your supplier, return to this purchase order in Shopify and click Mark as Ordered at the top right. Then, when the items arrive and you've received them, open the same purchase order again and click Receive Inventory, also at the top right. This will update your stock levels automatically in Shopify.